What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a whole new video. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving with their family and friends. But we got another human made video for y'all today. Before we get into that, be sure to check out my vlog that I dropped the other day on Temple. I did like a little photo shoot vlog. I had a lot of fun with that. So if y'all can go to that video and watch it and support it and like it and watch it, I would greatly appreciate it. I got more stuff coming about my brand Temple. Also, the social media links and website to the brand will be down below if y'all want to follow the brand on Instagram or check out the website if you want to buy a hoodie. I'll greatly appreciate our support. But we got a new video today with human made. I know it's been a while, but we are back to human made. I can tell that y'all been itching and scratching for human made due to my views because I haven't been talking about it, but we are back. It's been like 2 videos and no human made videos or something like that. But anyway, we're gonna go over the human made outdoors collection that they had came out with probably about a month ago. They've been doing like three week drops. They've been doing like a drop 1 week, drop the next week. So all the pieces are up that they dropped. I'll just wait for everything to drop to go over the review. So we'll get right into the review of the human made outdoors collection that they just dropped not too long ago. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, so let's jump right into it with this outdoors collection. Just a brief overview and my thoughts and things like that. Also drop your thoughts and your opinions down below about this collection that they just dropped. 'Cause I think this is one of my favorite collections that they've been doing. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna start with this. This is just a preview on what we can expect with this collection. If you haven't already seen it, I'm pretty sure some of y'all have, but if you haven't, here it is. So we got a human made like parka jacket, we got human made on the back, we got like a fleece, we got some pants, some mugs, beanies, and another blanket. So let's jump right into it. First, we're gonna start off with the human made shell jacket. I think this is a very dope fall winter jacket to cop, but that price on that jacket is very high, and I just said I can't afford it. I can afford it, but I can't afford it. Currently saving my money for some stuff, but whew, I really wanted to buy this, but that price is just too steep. So let's get more into it. It says human made on the front chest pocket, and we got it in the green colorway as well. We got this green, we got this olive and army green going on. Of course, you got human made on the back side, and I believe this is like a 3M on here, so they're gonna be reflective on the human made and the gifts for futuristic teenagers. I'm sure it's reflective. All right, so it's the green, a little bit more details, and we got the human made Patagonia logo on the sleeve. Really dope, like it a lot. So let's go to the next. Next, we have a sweatshirt. We have it in green. We got like gifts for futuristic teenagers going around the collar, and we got the human made Patagonia logo on the left breast as well. And I like this sand colorway a little bit more than that green. So if I had an opportunity to cop, it'd probably be this sand colorway. This green just looked like throw up to me, so, but I like this right here. Next, we have human made as well, Patagonia logo on the front print on the white long sleeve. I prefer the white long sleeve a little bit more than the black long sleeve. And that's the back side. And on the sleeves, we got gifts for futuristic teenagers on the cuff. So nice little hit and detail. Next, we got some human made ripstop pants. We got them in olive green and like a khaki colorway with for the second colorway. And yeah, can't go wrong. I guess just pants is pants. Not crazy. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I still need to get a pair of pants. That's what I'm lacking right now in my human made collection that I have so far. So I got to get a pair of pants now. One of those duck camo pants, but they sold out. I really wanted those. So next we have the human made like camping cups. So they're like little thermal cups to keep your coffee or tea, hot chocolate, whatever. Just keep it hot. Good to go in this cup. I couldn't see myself buying it because I got enough of those cups and stuff right there already, but just something to think about. Next, we got human made beanies. I don't prefer these type of beanies. I prefer fisherman beanies, but I do like the colorway that they went with this heather gray, this bone white, or you could just say white, navy blue, and army green. Can't beat it. I like them in the order that I like them in. It's the order that I just told y'all, that gray, white, blue, and green. I like them in that order specifically. We have some containers that dropped. I got plenty of containers. I guess these 22 liters containers. I got different sizes. These come in army green again, or olive green, whatever you want to call it. It's cool. Again, I got plenty of containers. I don't need no more at the moment. Well, next we have a zip up fleece. We got it in this blue and like what, silver. And we got it in this sand color. I like this sand colorway a little bit more. I don't know, I just like it a little bit more. Not feeling this. Not feeling got that, like that, it looked like a dookie green. I just don't like this. I don't like this colorway. I would pass on that one. That's cool. I like that. In the order that I would pick these in would be this sand colorway, this blue, and then the green. In the order that I like them in. So next, we're gonna go to another fleece. I like this way more than the previous fleece, just because of the style and the way it looks and the way like it will fit on you. So it got like more of a boxier fit. So let's get into it. Okay. I like both of these, to be honest. You can't go wrong with either or. Just personal preference on what you like. Some more details. You got the made on the little wooden bullet. The details, you got the hearts for the buttons on the sleeve, or on the cuff of the sleeve. I like this. I like this a lot. I really like these two a lot. Either way, I just feel like either one you pick, you just can't go wrong. You'll be fine anyway. So next, we get right into the blankets. Yes, that's the only thing I really cared for from this drop were the blankets. And I thought it was just one style of blanket that they did, but they did two. So let's get into it. So this one, I took an L on this one because this is the one I thought this was gonna be the only one that dropped. And I already have the first version of that one right here. So this one sold out, but I still got the other blanket, so I'm gonna show you the other one. And I'm kind of glad this one sold out and I got the other one because it was still in stock, which was this one. I like this one way more because it got that Native American pattern going on here, and plus that colorway is just crazy. I really like this colorway. It's bright and bold at the same time, so it balances itself out. Nigo, you murdered this shit, bro. And I literally be wearing mine every single day. Like, I was just wearing before I put this hoodie on. This will keep you warm. I'm telling you. I am telling you, it's worth the money. If they ever drop some more, I highly suggest y'all cop. Cause this fleece is real thick and it'll keep you warm. So next, we're gonna go to the duck socks. I caught these socks right here the other day. I didn't see these on the website, but I seen them on the Instagram. I'm like, oh shit. I went back to the website and caught these in a heartbeat because really, like, I really do plan on copping some socks because I've been wearing like a lot of I've been cropping my pants a lot. And I've been wearing like tube socks with different like prints on them just to give my outfit a little bit more flair to it. So I was like, let me cop these because I really like the colorway of these and the theme of it, which is like the duck, and I really like that. So cop these, keep them coming, Nigo. We need the other variety as well with the other animals that you got. I would highly suggest do the other animals. I will cop. So next we got a zip up fleece hoodie. We have it in a blue and we have it in this heather gray. And we got him made on the back with the white print. I like the black on gray a little bit more than that white on blue, but personal preference. Next, we got the sweatpants to go with these hoodies. Same colorway, same print. Get more into it. Yeah, I would prefer the gray over the blue, but either way, you just can't go wrong with it. I like these a lot. Yeah, it was a solid drop. They dropped a little bit more than they did before. I believe before they had like some mittens as well. And I forgot what else they had. I know they had some mittens. They dropped a little bit more than they did before, but I really do like what they did with this drop. So let me know what y'all think about this outdoors drop part 2. That's what I'm calling it. Cause I think that's what he called it too as well. Yeah, it's outdoor. Yeah, I'll just call it outdoor. Outdoor drop part 2. So keep these coming. I really like these, and let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate the support. Again, check out my brand Temple, please. I would greatly appreciate all the support. I have big aspirations for this brand. With that being said, catch y'all next one. Peace.